Hey everyone, M1 Shadow here. Today I'm going to show you a very easy way to cook some very delicious chicken drumsticks on your barbecue grill. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and season our chicken drumsticks. I've got some smoky mesquite seasoning rub. Let's go ahead and you could use your favorite seasoning, but anyway, we're going to go ahead and season this. As far as the skin, if you want to, I'm leaving the skin on, but you could take it off if you desire, and of course use whatever seasoning you like, but go ahead and get a nice coating on there. And then we're going to flip it and repeat on the other side. And now what we're going to do is go ahead and let these sit for about 10 minutes while our barbecue preheats. So here we are 10 minutes later. Our barbecue grill is heated, so I turned it down to low heat, and these should only probably take about maybe 10 to 15 minutes each side. So we're going to go ahead and cover this, but you want to keep checking it maybe every couple minutes and just make sure there's no flare-up so it doesn't burn anything. So here we are about 20 minutes later. I turn these over, and now we're going to apply our first layer of barbecue sauce. Just use whatever one you like. And then you want to brush it on. And then we'll go ahead and cover this and come back in probably another 15 to 20 minutes. So here we are. I actually went about 30 minutes because I kind of gauge it by how the chicken looks and feels, and I do like it a little bit on the crispier side. I went ahead and I turned them over, and now we're going to put more barbecue sauce on here. And that way we want to get both sides. Okay, and now at this point we're going to go ahead and cover it, and these should be done in about 10 minutes. And here you have it. Our chicken drumsticks are done. Now, I know what you're all waiting for. The taste test, right? Delicious, but that's kind of what I was expecting. Give this recipe a try. As always, I do want to thank you all for watching, and have a good one.